Welcome to our detailed comparison of two popular AMD B650 motherboards, the GIGABYTE B650 Eagle AX and the ASUS ROG Strix B650-A gaming Wi-Fi. Both motherboards are designed for the latest AMD Ryzen 7000 series processors and offer a range of features that cater to different users. In this video, we will delve into their pricing, aesthetics, and specific features to help you make an informed decision. Let's start with the price comparison. The GIGABYTE B650 Eagle AX is priced at $179 US, making it a more budget-friendly option. In contrast, the ASUS ROG Strix B650-A comes in at $219 US, which reflects its premium features and build quality. If you're looking for a solid motherboard without breaking the bank, the GIGABYTE option is a great choice. However, if you're willing to invest a bit more for enhanced performance and aesthetics, the ASUS ROG Strix might be worth the extra cost. Next, let's discuss aesthetics. The GIGABYTE B650 Eagle AX features a more understated design, focusing on functionality rather than flashiness. On the other hand, the ASUS ROG Strix B650-A boasts a sleek and modern appearance, complete with RGB lighting and a premium finish that appeals to gamers and PC builders alike. If aesthetics are a priority for your build, the ASUS ROG Strix certainly stands out. Finally, we will compare the feature sets of both motherboards. The GIGABYTE B650 Eagle AX offers a solid range of features, including support for DDR5 memory and multiple M.2 slots. However, the ASUS ROG Strix B650-A takes it a step further with superior thermal design, enhanced power delivery, and additional connectivity options. For users who demand high performance and advanced features, the ASUS ROG Strix is the clear winner. In conclusion, both the GIGABYTE B650 Eagle AX and the ASUS ROG Strix B650-A gaming Wi-Fi are excellent motherboards, each catering to different needs and budgets. The GIGABYTE option is perfect for budget-conscious builders, while the ASUS ROG Strix is ideal for those seeking premium features and aesthetics. We hope this comparison helped you in making your decision. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech comparisons.